Welcome to my channel World Talks Food Walks. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken roti. For that we just need boneless chicken. For now I've just taken about 4 pieces. We will need another 2 ingredients along with the chicken. So totally we'll need about 3 ingredients. That's all. We'll need red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. So you don't need any other masala to make this. We of course need the oil. So take the chicken, red chili powder and salt, put it in a grinder, make it to a paste. Once the paste is ready, then we're going to flatten it on the tawa. You can use any frying pan for this. We just need to blend it to a fine mixture. So now you can see I have grinded it to make it a thin paste. It will just take about 10 seconds, not more than 10 seconds. So once this paste is ready, you can use this mixture and flatten it on the tawa. Now I have the tawa ready. You can add a little oil to it and then don't heat up the tawa. So just apply a little oil on the tawa. Now you can take the mixture and flatten it on the tawa directly. So as I told you before, I have not on the stove. First we will flatten it fully with the use of a hand. If you feel the mixture is sticking, you can make use of oil. Just dip your hand in oil and then flatten it. You can see how soft the chicken is. It will not take more time to cook. Another thing, we are not using water here. It's just the chicken, salt and red chili powder. So this can be stored in room temperature for about 1 week and it doesn't get stale. So you can use this as a pickle, and also I'm very sure the taste is actually very nice and it will get over even before a week. So this can also be called as a chicken pickle. So you can use it along with your rasam or just like a snack and store up to 1 week and enjoy it. Make sure it is fried nicely on both the sides. Now you can see it's getting a little bit of golden spots on one side. So I have turned it up on the other side. Press it and make sure it is cooked properly. So I'm just pressing it enough just to make sure it is cooked inside, and it will not take much time for you as well. It's such an easy recipe. Try this and store up to 1 week. Now you can see it, how beautiful it looks. You can see the golden color spots there and it's fully cooked, and it will just take about a minute. I'll show you. The chicken roti is now ready. You can enjoy it just like that. Store it and have it with your curd rice, rasam or your dal. It's an excellent combination for everything.